Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a Dave Microwave Games tier list right now. So I just wanted to tell you something that's it's like when some like it's like Jay Ski Bean do a Dave Microwave Games tier list right now, and Dave does his own too, so I thought I would do the exact same thing. So we have S tier, A tier, B tier, C tier, D tier, and F tier. Even though I just gotta tell something that it's like something that it had to know. I never played one of his games before, and someone did, and Dave, if you're watching this video, I know I'm too young to do this. It's just that, like, I never played those games before. I know they're not even for kids and stuff. I just don't even care. I watch those videos and stuff. Even though if they were creepy and stuff, it's not even my problem. Like, it's not your problem either. And if it is, then I couldn't even handle that much just because I don't even know what am I talking about. So we have 6 a.m. at the Chum Bucket. I never played it before, but it's like an official game where you play as Squidward and you're like trying to work at the Chum Bucket, and then you saw something that was literally like trying to find something to escape, and Karen just like try to zap you, and then try to get you with some. Try to turn you into a chum, and then you saw a chum monster or the appetizer, whatever. Dave, you did such a good job at these games. I'm not gonna lie. I know I'm too young to be on this, to do this, because I just don't care. So we're gonna put 6 a.m. at the freaking, I'm just gonna put it like A tier. It's no rather for the best, but I just like this game. Okay. So, A Nightmare on Sesame Street. I never played it before because, like, it's like been hours since, like, it's a game where you try to play as Elmo because of the radio. And then it also has a lot of voice actors. So I'm gonna put it like C tier. It's like fine, I guess. Sorry about that. I'm not gonna do all of these just yet, just because even though they're too scary just for me. So I'm gonna do like around like Adventure is like Adventure 1, the Crystal Chicken, like I don't even know. We're just gonna put it like B tier. I don't even know about this. Whatever. Ignore that. Ignore the notification, by the way. We have Around the Clock at the Bikini Bottom. I never played this before because I watched the videos about it and they were like pretty good and stuff. So I'm gonna put it with A tier with 6 a.m. at the Chum Bucket. Like, we have Carnivorous Chickens. B tier, I guess. I'll be generous. Sorry, Dave, I literally had to do this because I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what to say anymore. I don't even know what it is. Bunky Game, C tier. Courage is Curse, okay? And it's already getting to bug. It's already beginning to bug. So we have Courage is Cursed, and it's already starting to bug. Some people play Courage is Cursed except me, even though I never even played it. So I'm gonna put it like in B tier. Like, ignore these notifications, by the way, unfortunately. the Robobots Hunter or whatever. I'm gonna put it like in C tier or something. I'm not gonna do all of that. We're just gonna put these like in this, like this. S tier. We're just gonna put these into whatever I literally just saw. Dora is Dead Remastered. We're just gonna do Dora is Dead first, the original game. Unfortunately, we're gonna do the Dora is Dead original game. I never even played like Dora is Dead before. It was the creepiest game. I don't know why. Like, why am I not surprised? Because unfortunately, it's a creepy game, a horror game about Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer is obviously one of my most favorite kids shows ever, but it turns out to this. Unfortunately, it's like a creepy game about when a fictional game you're playing as Swiper in the game. Unfortunately, you try to find a way out and you saw a gate. It was before like 3 a.m. at the Krusty Krab, unfortunately. But, it's like, I can't even unfortunately find how creepy this game is. Even though it's too creepy for me. I know it's not for kids and all. You turned out to be this. Dora is Dead original. Hate to tell you this, like, it's like a little bit thing. So I'm gonna put the original game, like, right over here. It's a fictional game like Dora has no legs and turned out to be this. So I'm going to put Dora is Dead Remastered. Dora is Dead Remastered does everything Dora is Dead does but better. Just like how J.Ski Bean said so. Okay. Dracula's Castle. Okay, we're just going to put this in like... Oh, sorry. Sorry, don't worry about it. Just ignore it. So we're gonna put Dracula's stupid thing beta. We're also gonna put this in B tier just for no further questions. Just so you know, 3:30 or 3 a.m. at Floater's Cemetery, whatever. I'm gonna put this in like A tier for some reason, and nothing is literally in S tier. Sorry. I don't know what to say this, so we're just gonna put them like E tier to 3 a.m. at the Krusty Krab. It's like when some other games had the sound of the, you know what I mean? 3 a.m. at the Krusty Krab. E tier. I'll be generous. Nut Blaster. B tier. We're just gonna put everything like I don't even know anymore. So we have Mr. Krusty requires the souls of a damned. Okay, even though I never even played it before, so I'm just gonna put it like in A tier. There's nothing in freaking S tier, by the way. Okay, we're just gonna put these like in every whatever tier. They're literally like weird and stuff. So we have Rob the Killer or something. So we're just gonna put it like in A tier. We're just gonna put every game just in A tier. We also have Shopping Nightmare, so I'm gonna put it in A tier. I don't even know. There's just too much, like, for A tier. The creepy smile thing, A tier. Shopping Nightmare Remastered. So we're just gonna put it in S tier. So just so you know, we're just gonna put everything like in S tier. The Explorers, Tunky thing, Wheels for Freedom. Yes. A tier list is complete. If you don't like it, then you can just like change it into like whatever like this. My tier list is complete. Tell me in the comments if you agree or disagree. I won't be reading them just yet, okay? Just look. The Dave Microwaves games. It was not even my idea, by the way. Follow Jay's keeping because of the... Look at these games. They're gonna cut... Dave, your games are kind of good and they're kind of creepy at the same time, but good job. Good job. Clapping out applause for that. Yeah. Follow Jay's keeping on Twitter, I guess. Create a ranking for Dave Microwave games. Whatever. Shout out to Jay Skipping and Dave Microwave Games. I know I'm too young to do this, but I know these are not for kids, but they're just like kind of good and stuff. I'm not gonna lie. At least I'm not acting like a 5-year-old who was like, oh my goodness, these games are so scary. Oh no. Like, I'm not even gonna go like this. I know I'm too young to do this, but I don't even care. Look, I know I'm too young. I know. I get it. I know I'm too young to do this, okay? I know. I get it. I won't be reading the comments just yet, okay? And I guess that's it for now. Anyways, that was not even my idea, by the way. And I guess that's it. Anyways, bye!